Today, we will show you how to back up and restore your iPhone contacts easily. This will ensure that you never lose those important numbers, even if you change or lose your phone. Step 1. Backing up contact using iCloud. How to do this? Open the setting apps on your iPhone. Then, tap on your name at the top. Then tap on iCloud. Tap on Show All, and then you scroll down to Contact and toggle it on if it's not already enabled. This will automatically back up your contact to iCloud. Step 2. Restoring contact from iCloud. On your new or restored iPhone, go to Settings and then tap on your name, then tap on iCloud. Tap on Show All, then scroll down to find the contact. Toggle it on and select Merge when it's prompted. This will download your contact from iCloud into your device. And that's it. You now learn how to back up and restore your iPhone contact using iCloud. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video and bye!